Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel now. So for today, I know we are also bored staying at home because of this pandemic, no? Because of this virus. Wala na tay lakaw, wala na tay ganap sa kinabuhi. So karon guys, narata sa balay, nakita ko og karang video sa YouTube. Kaning gitawag nila Dalgona Whipped Coffee. So ato ni siyang i-try karon since naramtas balay and I'm so bored. I know you are so bored, that's why you're here. So for those of you who are new to my channel guys, please consider subscribing, no? Naara din guys, Makoy Eats. So i-type lang sa YouTube guys, Makoy Eats. So makita-kita ta dito sa akong channel guys. So hello guys, I'll show you how to make this Dalgona Whipped Coffee kakutas eh. Alright, see you guys! Okay guys, so there you have it. It's so easy to make the Dalgona Whipped Coffee, no? Just katulad dyan nga mga steps guys. Ang ratio niya is 1:1:1. 1 spoon of coffee, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of hot water. Mora dyan guys. So that's it. If you like this video, just give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye for now! And by the way guys, stay at home, wash your hands, and stay safe always. Bye for now. For reals.